Offshore grid infrastructure is booming at the moment. We've got huge programs of deployment happening across the UK, Germany, Netherlands. It's an unprecedented time for the TSOs. Also some really good news with the UK interconnector market into Europe with the announcement of the Window 3 qualifiers at the end of last year. That's opening the door for multi-purpose interconnectors. Really interesting projects with the ability to connect in with the offshore wind industry as well, and really helping to alleviate some of the grid connection constraints. Lots of regulatory challenges with the hybrid systems, which the folks in the industry are busy working through at the moment. Bootstrap projects in the UK, that's also creating a lot of demand for skills here in the UK market, connecting the offshore renewables from Scotland down into the population and demand centres in England. So lots happening there as well. Germany, really interesting projects underway there with the HVDC superhighway going in and some of the new technology that the TSOs are developing with the OEMs for the multi-terminal hubs. So that's super exciting. Lots of challenges underway in Germany at the moment. Resources are hard to come by, supply chains a bit limited, but there's lots of development happening and lots of growth and assistance with skills to support those projects over the next 10 and 20 years. Taylor Hopkinson's been in the HVDC market since our inception back in 2009, and we've really ramped things up in the industry, helping a number of the TSOs and developers across various regions in the world. Our team are looking forward to getting across to the Offshore Transmission Conference in Amsterdam to connect up with the industry, learn about some of the challenges that they're facing, and then how we can potentially assist with some of the people and talent requirements. It's such a key part of the industry grid, and we're looking forward to supporting the industry a bit further.